Okay, so here we are making our easy oven chicken bake. 30 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees is what we're going to do. So I've already started this. On the bottom of your pan, you need to make sure you put one layer of your dressing, stuffing. And then on top of that, you put your chicken. I have, and I've seasoned it with a little salt and a little oregano. And then on top of that, what we're going to do is add our vegetables. So you use mixed vegetables, whatever kind of frozen vegetables you like, about 12 to 13, 14 ounces. They go right on top, just like this. You see how nice they go on there? Just right on top. Smooth them right out, smooth them right out. There we go. Now we have some colorful vegetables here. And then on top of that, all we're going to do is take our cream of mushroom soup, and we're going to go right on top of that, right with the cream of mushroom soup. There we go. And make sure it's all to each corner of your baking dish. And there we have that. And then on the very top, the last thing we're going to do is take our stuffing that we reserved to the side and put some warm water in, because you see it's all puffed up. And this is what's going to be our topping. So we take that, and across the top we go, and across the top we go, and kind of spread him out a little bit every which way, like this. And that is your topping for your easy weeknight supper or Sunday supper casserole in the oven. And so into the oven we will go at 400 degrees for about a half hour. We need to make sure that it is bubbling all around and warm. And so into the oven we go, just like this. And there, half hour, 400, and we've got it covered. We will show you in the next video what it tastes like after it cooks. So this is Pete at Carpizzo's. Remember to go to Heal, Lead, and Teach to our page in the YouTube and look for videos. You will always find our full videos of the recipes there with me going through it all. So this is Pete. Thank you for subscribing and becoming partners with us in this beautiful thing we're on. So thank you. This is Peter Carpizzo's out.